Right. Yesterday we have discussed about to drop, delete, and okay, how to delete a database and how to delete a collection. Also, we have discussed it. Okay, everyone, and how to insert a multiple data. We need to discuss. Right. Yeah. So now today, what is the thing we are going to do is we will take down the first notes. Okay, Dinesh, the related to that the drop database and drop. Okay, then after I will tell you how to create multiple records practically. Then after we'll execute some query statements. Okay, we will execute some query statements. Okay, right now go to that MongoDB notes. Yeah, Dinesh, go to that MongoDB notes. Yeah, after line number 6, press there, enter. Yeah, right there. How to drop a database by using MongoDB in Mongo. Sorry, how to delete a database in MongoDB. How to delete a database. How to delete a database in MongoDB. Right, put their question mark and underline it. Right there, by using double quotations drop database method, drop database D capital. No, D, drop database single word, D capital. Yeah, method 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 method. We can delete right there, Dinesh, we can delete a database in MongoDB. Yeah, Shivan, are attending through mobile now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, right. Now right there, press there, enter, and write their example. Right, press there, enter. Write there db dot database name. Sorry, db dot drop database. Really sorry, db dot drop database parenthesis. Second D capital. Yeah, parenthesis. Close it. Yeah, right. In the last, put a semicolon.
Sir?
Okay.
Hello?
No need. Sorry. No, yeah. Leave it like that. Okay. Right. Press there, enter. Dinesh. Yeah, right. One more time. Press there, enter. Yeah. How to delete a table? Sorry. How to delete a collection slash table? How to delete a collection slash table? Wait. Not that I told. Wait one second. Okay. In MongoDB. Space in MongoDB. Put there question mark and underline it. Right. By using drop method, put that drop in the double quotations. Drop in the double quotations. Wait one second. Yeah, give that space. We can delete a collection slash table in MongoDB. Question mark. Press the enter. Sorry, no, not question mark. No, sorry. Remove the question mark. Sorry. Press the enter. Example. Press there enter. Yeah, db dot users dot drop pr parenthesis drop drop parenthesis put the semicolon. Right. Okay, no need, sorry, no need that semicolon, remove that. Right. Press there enter. Press there enter. How to insert multiple records yeah, wait one second. Did we write yesterday notes for this, Dinesh? Multiple records.
No, sir.
Unmute yourself. Did we write notes for this?
Actually,
Okay. Right.
insert menu, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't
Yeah,
write it,
insert
but
menu.
I would remember.
Right. MongoDB. Right. Wait one second. Write the MongoDB. Right. Push the question mark and press the enter. Right. Now go to that roadbot 3D. We'll implement first example, then after we'll write it. Right. Yeah, right there. Use space. Wait one second. Delete all those things. Yeah, that one also. Close it. Close that. Right. Now remove that everything. Use space. Dinno first dbs. Use space. Dinno first. Check the spelling. Dinno. Okay. Yeah, right. dbs. Select it and click on the execute it. Select it and execute. Play button. Right. Now we have switched it. Right. Press the enter. Now what is the advantage of insert method? See, by using insert menu also we can do, and by using insert method also we can do, and by using insert menu also we can do. So what is the advantage? If the collection already there, it will enter into the data. Okay, it will insert the data. If the collection is not available, it will create the collection and then it will insert into the data. Okay, then it will insert the data. Okay, right, now press there enter and write there db.students students students Dinesh, students students. See there, students collection is not available, but it will create. Okay, right, dot insert, put the parenthesis, and in the parenthesis write the square brackets, because we need to insert multiple data. In the square brackets write their curly braces. You need to form in the form of objects. Okay, right, wait one second, we'll go step by step. Square brackets, curly braces, wait Dinesh, please don't do anything, please. Right, now give me 1 second. What is the thing we need to write? I will tell you. Write their first name in the curly braces, double quotations, first name in the curly braces. Yeah, press there enter. First name. Yeah, right there. First, no, single letter. Don't, never separate with space. Okay, right, normally first name, all lowercase letters. First name, double quotation, colon, double quotations, close it. Right. Wait 1 second, Dinesh. Wait. Yeah, right. Exactly right. Right there, Dinesh. Right. Wait 1 second. I will tell you what to do. I will align it properly. Next time onwards, you can understand it. Okay. Right. Please, Dinesh, don't do anything. I will let me give 1 second. Give me the access. Right. Yeah. Now put there comma and now write there double quotations last name. Then write there double quotations colon double quotations colon double quotations. First we will complete the syntax. Yeah. Write your last name. And then after put their comma, write their email. Colon double quotations test@test.com. Test@test.com. Test.com. Test.com. Amar. Sorry. Dinesh. Amar. Sorry. Dinesh. Yeah. Put their comma. Comma. Press their enter. Write the double quotations. Gender colon male. Gender colon male. Colon double quotations male. Comma. Press the enter. Write the double quotations. Yeah. Write their age colon. Yeah. 30 or anything. Write there double quotations 30. Right. Okay. Right. Whatever. Right. Now copy that entire object. No, no. Age is the last one. Okay. Right. Remove that comma. Right. Now copy that entire object. Object I'm telling. Dinesh, don't get confused. Don't get confused. Okay. This is the object or else document. Okay. Right. Give me 1 second. Two, three, four, five, six. Right. Now write any other name. Suppose right here Shivani. Right. Last time change it to Selam. Seelam. Selam. Write the test two. Test two. Female. Yeah. Female. Right. Yes, 30. 30. Okay, 26. Right. Deepu. Okay. Gorantla. Wait 1 second. Gorantla. Right there. Gorantla. Right there. Test 3. Yeah. Right there. 26. Age also. There also. Age 26. Right. Now go to that. Yeah. Now change another name. Yeah. Write anyone. Your Krishna. Why are you writing Excel? Krishna. Krishna. Don't write XL something like that. Write there Krishna. Right. Remove that. Yeah. Right there. Krishna. What is your last name? Kumar. Right there. Kumar. Krishna Kumar. Right there. Test 4. Yeah. Change that. Male. Yeah. Change it to 30. 30. Right. Now go to the other one. Yeah. Change it to any female name. Radha. RATH. Radha. Kumari. Radha Kumari. Right there. Kumari. Right. Test 5. I think. Yeah. Change it to female. Right. Change it to 29. 29. Right now, last record. Change it to any other name. Write your friend name anywhere. Right. You write, change it to 25. Change it to 25. Age 25. Right. Now save the, select this entire query. No, not there. Yeah, exactly. Right. Select this entire query. Right. Now execute it. See there, it is coming. Okay. Right. Now what is the thing we will do is, come here. Wait 1 second. We'll refresh this first, David. The students is there. Right. Now wait 1 second. Come to the last. Come to the last. Dinesh, come to the last. Don't press enter. Scroll it down. Just scroll it down. Wait 1 second. Yeah, right. Press the enter. Wait 1 second, please. Right, write there db dot students dot find. db dot students dot find. 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 Put the parenthesis. Now select it. Is good now. See there, we are getting or not? Respond everyone. Results we are getting or not? Dinesh and
Yes,
Shivaji, respond.
yes, yes.
Okay, right. So now you can check here. Yeah, in the table format. See there, first name, age. Sorry. Right. Yeah, hi Deep. Hi Deep. Good morning. Janadeep. Good morning. Hello. 1 second, wait. Yeah, the facing some issues. Right. Give me 1 second.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, what happened, Deep, to today so much lately have came?
Network issues, sir. I am not able to connect, sir.
Okay, okay, it's okay, it's okay. So just for normally I'm asking. Okay. Yeah, right, right. Yeah. So this is how we will insert the multiple records. Okay, right. Now after inserting it in multiple records, what we will do is we'll take this example, but leave it like this. Okay, leave it like this. We will we'll execute some other statements. What is that? Query statements, or else query strings also we can call, or else query statements also we can call. Okay, why we use that query statements? You know, MySQL or else any other databases, right? So age is greater than something, age is less than something, right, everyone? Or else first name is Ramesh, something like that. Understanding or not? Please respond.
Yes,
Hello?
yes.
Have you
Yes.
ever okay, Shivani and Deepu, you also respond. Okay,
Yes, sir. Okay.
okay, right. So like that it will be. Okay, like that it will be. Sometimes we need to get greater than results. Sometimes we need to get less than results, something like that. Okay. So in that case, what is the thing we need to do? Okay, in that case, what is the thing we need to do? So in that case, we need to go for query statements. What is that? Query statements. Okay. Right. Before that, writing that query statements, what I will do is I will copy this one because it will is taking so much time, so much space it is occupying. Don't do anything deep. Oh, sorry. Right. Control X. Right. Now go to your thing. Notepad++. Right. Here I'm pasting it. Later we'll change it to example. Okay. Right. Leave it like that. Now it will be here. It is very clear. Right. Okay. Right. Now I am going to execute here. Now I am going to execute here. What? Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Kindly wait 1 second. We will put in the tabular format. Okay. Right. It will be good for us. We'll put in the tabular format. Right, then after I will open this in a new table also. New, right, here we will see, we will execute remaining things. Okay, right, wait 1 second. Use the space, use the space, దీన్ని first dbase. Right, then after what is that? db dot students dot find. One more time we'll execute this. Okay, right, don't think why he is taking second one and same comments is executing like that. Okay, right, now it is coming like this. Okay, now it is coming like this. Please wait 1 second. Wait. It is coming like this. Now what I want to do is I want some query statements. Okay, that means I want the records which age is greater than 25. Okay, or else which age is less than 24, or else whose age is not equal to 29, something like that. Okay, in that case how to execute that queries I need to understand. Okay, right, now write there db dot students dot find. Here also we need to use find method. Okay, right there db dot students dot find, students dot find, put the parenthesis. Yeah, in the parenthesis what is the thing we need to do is, wait 1 second, open the curly braces here. Okay, we need to write in the form of object. Okay, anything we need to write in the form of object. Okay, right, press there, enter, wait 1 second. Right, now here what is the thing I need to do? So right there $gt, sorry, wait 1 second, not $gt. What is the field I want? So depends upon what I want to write this query statement. So depends upon what I want to write the query statement, depends upon the age. So
Age.
now write their field name, write their age, write their age, colon, we need to send that parameter in the form of objects here also. Okay, right, now again write their curly braces, again write their curly braces. Yeah, now here we need to send the condition. What is that? Greater than 25. How we will write there dollar greater than $gt, $gt, right there, colon, single quotes,
Sir, I didn't
single
get this,
quote,
sir.
single quotes, single quotations. Yeah, right there 25. Now copy this entire query. Dinesh, copy this entire query. Now click on the play button. How many records we are getting respond, everyone? 4 records only. How many? 4 only. Why? Because if you observe here in this previous one, see there, 24 and 25. We have 2 records less than 25. What is the query I have written? Greater than 25. Okay, I'm not writing there greater than equal to at least, greater than or equal to at least, greater than 25. That means the number which is greater than 25, from then only I will get the records. So greater than 25 means 24 is less than 25 or is greater than 25. Respond, everyone.
Less than.
Respond.
Less than.
Less than. Okay.
Present.
Yeah, right. 25 is equal. Yeah, 25 is equal to 25 or is greater than 25.
Equal to 25.
25 is what? Equal to 25. But what is the condition I have written? Greater than.
Greater than 25.
Greater than means what? We don't consider the equal to also. Okay. So that's why remaining 4 records only we are getting. See there, 26 female, 26 male, 30 male, 29 female. That is the results only we are getting. See there, this particular records only we are getting. Shivani, Deepu, Krishna, Radha. This particular records only we are getting. Understand it, everyone? How to write the query statement? Please respond.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Other persons.
Yes, sir.
Shivani, you are not responding to.
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. So first of all, one more time telling. So to fetch, to retrieve any record, we need to use find method. And to that find method, if you have any conditions, we need to send in the form of objects. So first open the objects. The first thing is, what is the field name I want? What is the field name I want? Age. Then after, to this field also I need to write a condition. So if you want to send a condition also, we need to write in the form of object only. And then after, what is the condition? Greater than. So $GT stands for greater than. This is predefined in the MongoDB. Okay. $GT is used for to fetch any elements greater than. Okay. Colon, and what is the value? 25. Right there, single quotes 25. That's it. Okay. Right. Now press there, enter. Right there, one more time, db.students.find. db.students.find. Find, put the parenthesis. Put the parenthesis. Right in the parenthesis, right there, press there and yeah, press there, enter. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, right there, curly braces. Curly braces, not square brackets. Yeah, now right there, age. And send the object, that means how, curly braces. And right, no, curly brace only. Object means curly brace only, right? Right there, $GTG. GTE stands for greater than or equal to. See there, previously is GT. Okay, GT stands for what? Greater than, exactly. But GTE means what? Greater than or equal to also. Okay, that is a single quotes. That is a 25. Right now, execute it. Only this last query. Right. Select it and execute. Now see here now. How many records we are getting? 5 records. Why? Because now also here also observe. So what is the condition I have written? Greater than or equal to 25. So 24 is less than 25 or is greater than 25? Respond one more time.
Less than.
Less than. So it will ignore this 24. Okay. Now coming to this 25, I have written there greater than or equal to. That is the condition I have written. So 25 is greater than 25 or is equal to 25. 25 is what? Equal to 25 or is greater than 25? Equal to. So here I have written GTG, greater than or equal to. So it is satisfying one condition. So it will fetch this particular record also. So except this 24 record, remaining records will be fetched. Okay, everyone. This is how we will work with another query statement, GTG, that is called greater than or equal to. Clear it, everyone? Clear response, Shivani, Deepu, Dinesh.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, right. Press there, enter. Right, now write the db.students.find. Find. Put the parenthesis. Yeah, in the parenthesis right there. Yeah, right there, curly braces. Curly braces. Open and close. If you open anything, immediately. Yeah. Right there, age. Colon and send the object there, that means curly braces, right. Right there, $LT. Colon, single quotes, 26. Right, now execute it in the terminal. There, execute it. See there, what is the records we are getting? The records which is greater than 26, that particular records only we are getting. What are those? Dinesh and Vedit. Okay, everyone. Dinesh and Vedit. Okay. Please respond, everyone.
Yes, yes.
Right. So that means what? LD stands for what? Less than. Okay. LD stands for what? Less than. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Now one more time press there, enter. One more time press there, enter. Dinesh, press there. Right. Right there. db dot students dot find. Find, put the parentheses. Yeah. Now right there, curly braces. Right there, age colon. Right there, $LTG. LTG stands for
Less than equal.
less than or equal to. Okay. Right there, put their question mark. Right there, less than or equal to 26. 26. Now tell me how many records I will get? How many records I will get?
4. 4.
4. Why? This time I'm writing less than or equal to also. Yeah, including 26 records we will get. So wait one second. How many records we have along with the 26? 2 records. Okay, and less than 26, how many records we have? 2 records, 24 and 25. Okay, so we'll get 4 records. Okay, right, now execute it. Execute it.
Executed, sir.
Yeah, right, sorry. We are getting the results. What is that? Yeah, right, right. What are those? Dinesh, Shivani, Deepu, and Vedit. All the 4 records we are getting. Right, everyone? This is called less than or equal to. Okay, right. Now I want to write not equal. That means except that I want every record. Except that I want every record. Okay, except age 30, I want each and every record. Then what I need to do? I need to write here not equal to. Understanding that? Not equal to. Okay, right. Now go to that. Press there, enter. Right there, db dot students dot find. Put the parentheses. Right, press there, enter. Right there, curly braces. Curly braces, right? H colon curly braces, curly braces, right? Right there, dollar NG. NE stands for not equal to. Right there, equal. Okay, not equal. Okay, colon. Okay, right there. What is that? Not equal to means 30. Right there, 30. Others 29. Others 29 also we can write. No, 29, not 39. We don't. Yeah, right. Now execute it. Select. Right, execute it. There, except 29, we are getting everything 24, 26, 26, 30, and 25. But if you observe here, we have a record called 29 also. Wait one second. Give me the access, Dinesh. Yeah, see there,
Sure.
we have a record called 29. What is that female record? Who is that? Radha Kumari. Okay, so she is 29, but that record we are not getting. We are getting remaining remaining things only. Understand it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. That's it, everyone. So this is about query statements. Okay, this is about query statements. Okay, right. Okay, everyone, right. This is about query statements. Okay, right. So now what is the thing we'll do is, we'll take the notes. Okay, right. Now go to that VS Code. Sorry, Notepad ++. Let's wait one second. Notes in the Dinesh computer. Sorry, in the Gnanadeep computer it is there, right? Okay. So we will do one thing. Okay, leave it like this. Wait one second. Leave it like this. So tomorrow we will merge this code along with Deepu's thing, and he will mail it to all, and he will mail it to the Deepu and Shivan and me also. Okay, so that we can continue our notes also. Okay, right. Okay, everyone. Because yesterday it is I have written in the Deepu's computer. Now Dinesh computer is little bit messy. Okay, so leave it like this. Okay, so don't okay, like leave it like this, and tomorrow.
I'm leaving it.
Okay, yeah. So tomorrow we'll merge this with Deepu's notes. Okay, right. Thank you, everyone. This is the class for today. So query statements also today class we have completed. Tomorrow class onwards we will discuss other topics. Okay, everyone. Please respond. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, right. Okay, Deepu and Shivani. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you, everyone. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello.
Right, thank you, everyone. This is the class for today. Yeah, whoever interested, please make payments. Okay, because already I have taken 4 classes, right? Okay, yeah, whoever interested, please make payments. Okay, and okay, if you want payment details, you can call to the online team. The number is 8885252627. 1 second, wait. 8885252627. Okay, that is online team. You can call them and you can provide your email. They will send you to the payment details. Okay, right. Thank you, everyone. I'm not forcing anyone, just I'm giving just the information I'm giving. Okay, right. Thank you. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue. Yeah, bye, everyone.